Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Excel tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to simply enable developer tab in Microsoft Excel without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here, click on File. And the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, click on More. Then go ahead and make sure you click on Options. And this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to Customize Ribbon. And the next thing you want to do right here is to come to the sidebar right here. Make sure you check this developer right here. Once you check on developer, come down below right here, hit on OK. And then you are done. Now you have a developer tab in your Microsoft Excel. Just like so. Have it right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Microsoft Excel, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.